Sound Trip. Tuesday evenings, on air and online. Hosted by Kayla Rivera. It's a weekly monster special like no other. From Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1. Education is the way to move mountains, to build bridges, to change the world. Oprah Winfrey. The search for the Monster Scholar is back. If you or anyone you know is in need of financial aid for the upcoming semester, email your application to scholar@rx931.com. Scholar@rx931.com. Tell us why we should choose you or your loved one to be the next Monster Scholar.
Kahit feeling mo, physically napapagod ka na, you're burnt out, sa thesis man yan or sa OJT or whatever ACADS, lagi mo sasabihin sa sarili mo na, kaya mo pa yan, laban lang. Saka pangarap mo yan eh. Huwag nating susukuan yung pangarap natin.
Nahihirapan naman kayo sa sitwasyon nyo bilang estudyante ng mga maraming pagsubok. Kailangan tatagan nyo lang yung loob nyo. I-push nyo lang po yung sarili nyo kasi pag natulungan nyo yung sarili nyo, matutulungan nyo na rin yung pamilya nyo.
The search for the Monster Scholar Batch 22. Open to all college students for the first semester of school year 2024 to 2025. From the station that believes in the power of education. Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.